Here it is, 6.75, so 6 3/4. I hook up the red to the positive and the blue to the negative. So the negative would be one with the black stripe is negative, and screw 4 screw right here to that. And this is the factory. There is a way how to test the speaker, which one's positive or negative. I will show you later. Sorento 2024, I believe, could be a 20 and up to 24. To remove the door, it's pretty simple. Main thing you want to have to go is right underneath here, right in here, where the door handle at. Well, door handle's over there, but right here you want to remove the like a flathead. We got this own tool that we're gonna just pop this out open right here, like so. It's a rubber, so you got to take that Phillip out. Here's a Phillips. Take that out. The rest are pretty simple. You want to come down, start on the bottom. You want to pry it out a bit at a time. Grab a hold of it. Remember, it's brand new. The clip is feel like it's breaking some stuff, but it's okay. Just pull all of it out. And right there, you don't want to jerk it too far because you can break it. Coming over here. There's another one right there. Right there. If you're not sure what you're doing, try to go easy or take it to the professional, because this is 2024. See, you want to grab it right here and pull it about 1.5 inches, no more, because if you do any more, you can break the plastic. And next you want to do, lift it up, and this clip right here, push it in and pick it up like so. And then there's a clip right here. I'm going to show you later. It's hard to show you. You just surge forward and push from here. I can't see either, but I know it's a push. So basically, look like this. You push this clip right here, push it in and pull it out, and that's about it. So now you push this clip again, push it in and pull it out. We're gonna test it, which one's positive and negative. I'll show you how, but I'm gonna tell you the color anyway. So take this Phillip out, 4 of them. And they saying it's 5.5, but I'm not using 5.5. I'm using 5 3/4. So I should have pushed all the window down. That way it's not gonna hit, but I know it's not gonna hit. I tried the other side already. And yeah, we'll show you how to test this. I already tested over the other side. It's red and blue. Okay, red is positive, blue is negative. So you come back here and almost the same. It's gonna be brown because of this lip right there, this clip on this side. Brown's gonna be positive, white's gonna be negative. I will show you in a second about that. I'm gonna cut this out. I don't have to, but I'm gonna cut it anyway, just easier to do so the wire won't come out. And then I'm gonna strip this. I'm gonna make a hole right here, actually right there. Make sure you're not hitting the wire inside. Make sure you don't push it out there, you'll damage the metal out here. Pry all this clip out, okay, and put it on the door panel, and then put it back, because if that's not gonna be out, the door is not gonna fit right. At this moment, I'm just pulling the wire from the inside by pulling this booth out here. And then now I can grab from the inside again and push the boot right back in the holes. Right there. There. And I'll put the speaker in. The positive gonna be a thicker one, a wider one I should say. The negative's gonna be the thinner one. So don't push it too hard, you're gonna break this piece, then you're gonna end up buying another speaker. That's right there. And then now align it right there. It don't have to be up and down, nobody will see this. You want to take a drywall screw, maybe 1.25 inches. Here, make sure your drill bit is shorter one because you don't want to poke the screw, the speakers. So I'll align this, make sure it's gonna hit it all around. I want to make sure this thing is on the bottom. That way the wire won't get caught on the doors. Right there. One of your hands should be right there like that. Once you get one in, everything's easy. See that? Have to be careful not poking it through. I've seen a lot of people do that. Oh, very ready. And you don't want it too tight and then it's gonna strip the plastic. One more. Right there. Now I got the brown to the solid one, solid wire, which is the positive. Should be gray or white, depend on which way you want to use it or say it. And then the gray and black going to the white because it's the negative side. And in a second I'm going to show you how to test the speakers, which one's positive and negative. I'm going to zip tie this right here. In this case I got this cloth tape. I can tape it up right there. And that's it, and just put everything back.